The exhilaration of gliding through the streets in a luxury car, with its sleek design, state-of-the-art technology, and an aura of prestige. It's an undeniably tempting experience, but let's peel back the glamour to reveal the hidden truth. The jaw-dropping upfront costs, maintenance bills that seem to have a mind of their own. Welcome to Financial Pointers, where we discuss all things money, guiding you on your path to financial success. So, without wasting more time, let's dive right in and uncover this hidden obstacle. Today, we're going to shed light on the number one silent killer to your financial progress. This topic rarely gets the spotlight: the surprising impact luxury cars can have on your wealth. Yes, you heard it right. The number one silent killer to your financial success is your luxury car. So buckle up, because you're in for a financial reality check. Here's the thing. Many dream of cruising in a luxury car, but what if I told you it might be a silent killer to your wealth? You may be wondering, how is that possible? Because I can afford my car, the expenses and maintenance are paid promptly. Let's explore the hidden costs that can drive your financial success off. 1. The high cost of luxury. Luxury cars, with their allure and prestige, often come with a hefty price tag. That initial joy of owning one can quickly fade when you realize the impact on your savings. Your hard-earned money takes a detour from investments and emergency funds, setting the stage for potential financial struggles. 2. Ongoing expenses. The sticker shock doesn't end at the dealership. Luxury cars demand premium maintenance, insurance, and fuel costs. These ongoing expenses can create a leak in your budget, draining your disposable income over time. 3. Depreciation woes. Now, let's talk about the less glamorous side of luxury cars: depreciation. Unlike fine wine, these cars lose value rapidly. Selling your luxury car down the road might feel like trading a masterpiece for a mere sketch, leaving you with a fraction of your initial investment. 4. Lifestyle inflation and opportunity cost. Luxury cars can subtly nudge you toward lifestyle inflation. The desire for a prestigious image might lead to increased spending on other luxuries, amplifying the financial impact. Plus, let's not forget the opportunity cost. Money spent on cars could be nurturing your financial garden elsewhere: real estate, education, or a business venture. If you found value in this video so far, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. It means a lot to us, and it helps us grow. 5. Psychological impact. There's also a psychological factor at play. Society's expectations and the allure of luxury can sometimes override practical financial considerations. The pressure to own a high-end car can lead to impulsive decisions that may not align with your long-term financial goals. And one may ask, how are these problematic? Well, there might be a problem or no problem at all. Firstly, the problem starts with the substantial upfront cost, which often requires a significant chunk of your savings. This initial hit can delay your ability to allocate funds to essential financial pillars, such as emergency savings, investments, or debt reduction. But if all your monthly expenses amount to no more than 15 to 20% of your monthly income, you certainly have nothing to worry about. Secondly, these expenses act as a barrier, limiting your capacity to save and invest for the future. It's a delay tactic that can keep you from building a robust financial foundation. Additionally, the rapid depreciation of luxury cars further compounds the issue. As the car loses value over time, you may find yourself trapped in a cycle of perpetual spending to maintain a certain lifestyle, hindering your ability to redirect those funds towards more strategic, wealth-building endeavors. So, here's the bottom line. Luxury cars, while a symbol of status, can quietly erode your wealth. But, and it's a big but, if owning one aligns with your budget and financial goals without compromising your future, it can still be an enjoyable experience. On another note, because owning a car in this day and age has become a necessity, here is a quick guide to help you stay in lane. Prioritize on purchasing a car that not only fits your budget, but also aligns with your potential income streams. Consider vehicles that can serve dual purposes, such as ride-sharing or delivery services, or for your small business. Opting for a car that allows you to earn additional income can help offset ownership costs and turn your vehicle into an investment. Additionally, opt for reliable, fuel-efficient models that come with lower maintenance and insurance costs. You also need to regularly review and adjust your budget to accommodate the ongoing expenses. Resist the temptation to overspend for status symbols and instead focus on vehicles that meet your practical needs without breaking the bank. Secondly, explore financing options that offer favorable terms. Low-interest loans or lease-to-own arrangements can ease the financial burden and provide flexibility. By turning your car into a source of income, you not only make ownership financially viable, but also create an opportunity for additional earnings that contribute to your overall financial success. That's a wrap. And if you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more money insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, a smooth ride shouldn't come at the expense of your financial well-being. Until next time, keep thriving.